Okay, so what you're seeing on screen right now is one of my favorite, if not my favorite, current favorite rather, exercise app for the Meta Quest 3. And that is Synth Riders. Okay, Synth Riders actually got an update, which you should be seeing on screen right now. The update actually was a new song pack. Now, unfortunately, due to copyright reasons, I can't exactly play it for you guys, but I did play it. I played everything on easy to get kind of a feel for it back into the groove. Later on, I did end up doing it on normal and whatnot. But that's one of the beauty things about Synth Riders. You can go at your own pace. Like, I was looking for just a casual workout, so I only did the casual opposed to like going super hardcore and whatnot. So I think that is actually a very good thing. Now, this update pack included 90s music. The last one included 80s music. So I think there's like a theme going on. Maybe there might be a 2000s music. I don't know. Actually, the people that make Synth Riders, actually not too long ago came out with another game I called Final Fury, I believe it's called. I actually have a video covering that on the channel, as well as gameplay of it, like just first impressions gameplay on my gaming channel. So feel free to check that out. But yeah, it is it's very good. I enjoyed this update too. It has a song from the Red Hot Chili Peppers. It has a song from Blur called Song 2. Yeah. Is it called Song 2 or Track 2? I'm pretty sure it's called Song 2. But yeah, most people don't know the name of the song offhand, but they definitely recommend once the song starts playing, they definitely recognize it. Then the Radiohead Creep, the radio edit versions of the song for obvious reasons, of course. So yeah, very good actually. I do like it quite a bit. I like that they added that. And it seems like they're adding more and more stuff in the future, honestly. As you can see from the gameplay, I am enjoying it, and I've been enjoying it a lot. You can also modify stuff so you can make it do stuff a little bit quicker. Like I said, you can do easy, normal, hard, and expert. I think I think they're the four. I want to say did one more, but I'm not sure. I like going on easy when I just want to like relax. I'll switch to normal if I'm like, this is too easy for me. So then I'll switch to normal. I've tried something on hard mode before, but I failed almost immediately. I mean, you can technically turn on no fail mode, so the song would just keep playing no matter what, but I don't know. For now, I like to keep fail mode on. Now, the only exception to that rule is if you're in an immersive thing. Immersive is basically like it turns it into a view scenery thing, which is it's actually very good. Actually, I think I recorded some B-roll footage of it. If I did, I'll put it on screen real quick for you guys. But basically what happens in immersive mode, you can of course still do the synth rider thing to the beat, but it doesn't penalize you for missing stuff in immersive mode. And immersive mode is such a good mode, I believe. Yeah, immersive mode, very good, very fun, very with it, if I might say, which I indeed might say, because, yeah, I mean, who doesn't like a good immersive mode, right? But yeah, Synth Rider, fun game, fun update. I don't know if I'll be making videos every time an update hits for Synth Riders. I want to make this video on this channel because I feel like this channel has the most to do with it because it's technically a game, so it should, in theory, belong on my other channel, Vamp Plays. But at the same time, it is a VR exercise thing. That's what I use it for. So, I mean, why not put it on this channel? There will be a link in the description below if you want to pick up this game or you want to pick up a MetaQuest 3 or MetaQuest 3S even. It's entirely up to you. But I think I am going to end it off here. Hopefully this has either helped you guys with telling you guys information about the update, or maybe you decide, I think I'm gonna buy it myself, or you're like, I don't know, I like watching you play Synth Riders, but I don't know if it's for me type thing. Any of those are fully valid and whatnot. But I think I am going to end it up here. Definitely thank you for stopping by. Hopefully you guys found this video, like I said, informative, helpful, whatnot. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the future. Later.